Good morning. I'm trying something a little different. Um, I'm getting ready to go out for my walk early, so I'm going to drink my breakfast. I've been up for a minute, and I got enough time. I've already think I'm going to make it even. I have a big day today, a busy day rather. I have to take my father for some work this morning, and so I got up a little early so I could get my walk in. I'm trying to be obedient and get up, get the walk on, and get going. Okay, let's see what the temp is out here this morning. It says it's 86 on the garage door. Trash man comes today. I see he hasn't ran yet. Oh, come on down, door. Am I pushing the wrong thing? Okay. Now, I put my trash out last night to be so I wouldn't have to wrestle with it this morning and get up in case the trash man decided he wanted to come before the sun come out. Because one morning I was going to wait until I got up, and he came before the sun came out. hmm He was up out here in front of my house at 6:15, and I was turning over, and I heard the noise. So since my husband can't take it out, I try to take it out the night before. So a lot has changed, but it seems to be, you know how some people are scared to try something a little different. You know, when you're injured and you're scared to walk. If you break your leg, you're a little, you know, nerved up. You don't want to walk on it because you think it's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt. But then you won't know unless you try to see if you have the strength and the balance to walk without assistance, right? Well, something bite me. But he was a little weak, and he had broke the bone above the artificial knee. He was worried, saying he was in pain. But I told him the hairline fracture you have takes 6 to 8 weeks to heal, and you cracked it before the week before Labor Day. So it's been past that. We're in the what? Are we in the second week of August? The first full week of August. We're in the first full week of August. Because today is the 5th. So you had June, July. It's been enough time that should have been healed. You can walk without the walker. But he's like, no, you don't understand. No, you're afraid to walk. I said, but you need to look at some other things you're doing. You need to strengthen yourself. You need to get off that walker and walk. So I fussed at him a bit. And with him, fussing a little bit is what you have to do. Because it's like he gets froze or something. But I stayed persistent and kept pushing on it. And yesterday, he started walking around a bit in the house without his walker. Now, which is a good thing. He needs to get the strength back in his legs, get his balance back on pack, and get back to walking regular. And he needs to start doing little exercises. That's walking outside to the mailbox, maybe walking to the corner, which is the next house, walking to the corner, or he could, and also too, what he could do is like on the stairs, go up 4 steps, come down 4 steps to strengthen the mobility in his leg and his knee. He needs to do that. And I have some light hand weights. He was an athlete. He know what he needs to do. Well, I'm going to push him some. Your girl here wasn't an athlete. When I was in school, high school, as I think back now, I didn't do a lot of stuff because I always would take my breath. And as I got older, I believe I had asthma or some form of it. Because when I would be in PE and we'd have to, run around the track or whatever, I would lose breath. I couldn't breathe. So I'm thinking I had asthma, but I never told my parents that was happening when I was younger. But as I got up in high school, and at first I was weighing, I think in middle school, like 150, because I was trying to hide my upper torso because people were staring. People were staring and making comments about my upper build. So I started gaining weight to try to get them from noticing my upper build. And then the summer before ninth grade, I lost down. My God, I was so bony. I was wearing, I think, size 8, 7, 8. I was bony. I'm going to put up a picture of me and my kid's dad to show you how bony I was, because that's the only picture that I have access to, I think. But I'm going to cut him off to show you how bony I was in high school. And I thought I was cute. I did. I didn't think I was cute until I got to, I think, my junior year, because I couldn't put on makeup until I turned 16. All I could wear was like chapstick. So when I turned 16 and started putting on makeup, but prior to that, I used to watch my cousin, Jeanette. That girl makeup was always so pretty. And she would come in on the bus in the morning and go to the bathroom and get in the mirror and do her face. And I would watch her take the time to do her eyes. Her eyes were always done so pretty. And I would watch her and watch her. I still wasn't as good as her with the eyes until I got well past grown. Because my daughter told me, I watched my daughter do her eyes. And I was like, wow, teach me how to put on eyeshadow. I don't know how to put on eyeshadow. And she told me, Mama, you need to go on YouTube and find somebody on there and watch them do their makeup. And I was like, oh, you can show your mother. And I went on Facebook, on YouTube, and I found two people. I found Lyric, the makeup artist. It's a girl in Jamaica. And I found the mind catcher. And Lyric was, boy, she was doing those eyes, you know? And I just love watching her do her makeup because she was always so freaking pretty, right? And then, but she was a younger girl, you know? At that time, I think Lyric was in her 20s. I think she may be 30 now, maybe. But I thought, okay, let me see if I can find someone else. And I ran across the mind catcher one day. So I started watching her. This beautiful sister in Florida. Oh my goodness. This girl could do them eyes. Oh, and showed you how to do, you know, contouring and all of that. She was doing the makeup. Do you hear me? So I would watch those two ladies to learn how to do eyeshadow looks. And I would watch, what's her name? Uh, I can't think of her name. I can see her face. Platinum D. She's out of Dallas. I watched her do eyeshadow looks as well. And she's be killing it. That girl makeup look like kiss from the gods. So I watched those three ladies to learn how to do my eyeshadow looks and make sure I contour right and, you know, all that kind of good stuff. But I used to wear makeup every day. You didn't catch me without it. I may didn't wear it on Saturdays if I wasn't going anywhere. But I wore makeup every day. And I remember my little brother, he was 7. Because when I graduated high school, he was 8 years old. He was 7. It was summertime, and they were playing baseball, right? So Mama told me to take them up to the school, to the park, for baseball practice. My little brother, he told my mom, oh, 70 can't take us up like that. She got to put on her face. She can't go up there like that. I had to go in the house, put on a full face of makeup to take this little boy to baseball practice. He told me I had to put on my face, y'all. Oh, they did cut that tree. No, they didn't. I'm not to call the city of Houston about this tree. I don't like walking under this tree because your girl is scared of spiders and bugs. And I'm afraid that one day I'm going to walk under this tree and it's going to be a spider. It's going to fall on me and I'm going to have a heart attack here on this street. So I'm gonna call the city because this is their domain. I should have told those guys I talked to that morning, uh, those tree cutters, and see if I could have got them to come over here and cut this. Because this is hanging over the sidewalk. Should have told them that, huh? That was the morning I came. Traffic. That was the morning I came and the sidewalk was flooded. I carry a stick for two reasons. One is for dogs. Two is so when I walk through these trees that I can knock down any web that may be hanging or swinging to scare me to death. And two, three, I don't know if anyone is staying in this wooded lot. I don't want nobody homeless jumping out and grabbing your girl. So that's why I care. Let me turn this around. You see how that's hanging down? That's what worries me. I don't like walking under that. But let me get off. I'm gonna walk a little further and I'll catch y'all when I make it back to the house. I think I've been talking long enough to worry y'all guys, but trying to get better at this, guys. I really am. So I'll catch you on the way back. Okay, guys, I'm home and whew, it's the walk. It's the walk for me. So I did my walk. I don't feel as tired because I tried this new drink thing to put in this stuff to put in my drink and had a little bit more energy. So I'm good at that. So I will see you guys tomorrow morning and we'll start this all over again. All right. Bye-bye. If you want to see more, click on the videos listed below and you be blessed.